I won't tell you no lie. I'm looking deeper inside. There's more to you than meets the eye. Yeah, no lies. I know that good things take time. Since you came into my life, being without you ain't right.
Welcome back to another video. It's your girl Tita, and today I'm going to be showing you how I make baby food. These are all the ingredients that I used to make this particular puree. My baby loves this. It actually is really good. I taste all of his food, so I make sure it is edible. I know I put some crazy things in there, but trust me, they taste good. So here I'm just mixing it up, making sure it's well incorporated and blended smoothly. And the next one, I'm going to show you how I steam everything and make it a little chunkier. This one's more of a smooth consistency. As you can see here, very smooth. So for this next one, I've already washed and prepped everything. And those are the ingredients that I've used, and I brought my water to a boil. I have it on medium heat, and I left them in there for about 15 to 20 minutes or until tender to the touch. I did pop the lid on there so that it can steam quicker. And you just let it do its thing for a little bit. And once it's fully cooked, that's how it should look. Then we just put it in the container you're going to blend everything in. Put a little bit of water. You can play with the water, the consistency, all that. So that's just how I did it. And then I placed some fresh blueberries to give it some sweetness. I know what you guys are thinking. This looks nasty, but you guys gotta try it. It's not that bad. Then you just blend it up. I like to pulse mine. That way I have more control of the consistency again. It's all with the blending and how much liquid you put in there, because that controls the consistency of your puree. So here I want it a little chunky for him. I want him to get used to more of the actual texture of the food. So I didn't really blend too much, just enough, you know? And that's how it should look. Of course, yours could be different depending how old your kids are, or your baby. And there I go, tasting it. So it passed the test. Now we're gonna see if Zayden likes it or not. He is so hungry and tired. And I like to place mine in containers for when I'm on the go as well. You want some? ¿Te gusta? Está rico, huh? So good. ¿Más? ¿Quieres más? Sí. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys in our next video.